This video, from OS College, shows how to create, and save, a new document from the Excel Online Document Manager, and from an Excel Online workbook that is open. The video demonstrates this in Google Chrome on a Mac, but the instructions can be performed on any web browser on any operating system. The Excel Online Document Manager has several icons in a row near the top. This allows you to create a blank workbook or choose from several different templates. Click the desired one. This video will use blank workbook. The tab changes from the Document Manager to the newly created workbook. It is both created and saved, even though content has not yet been added to the document. By default, it is named Book and some number. The document in this video is named Book 10. To rename the spreadsheet, click on the current name. A dialog will appear with a text box and a link to your OneDrive storage. Click on the text box that has the current document name, so the text is highlighted in blue. Type a desired name to replace it. The new name will be saved automatically. By default, new documents are stored in the main folder in OneDrive. This can be changed by going to your OneDrive account in a new browser tab and changing the location. There are two ways to create a new workbook from another workbook. First, click File in a current workbook. A dialog appears with several tabs in the green section on the left. Most likely by default the Home tab is chosen. Across the top of the Home tab there are several icons for new documents. One of them is New, which is the choice this video will use. Click one of them. The new workbook is opened in a new browser tab. By default, it is named Document and some number. To rename the workbook, click on the current name. A dialog will appear with a text box and a link to your OneDrive storage. Click on the text box that has the current workbook name, so the text is highlighted in blue. Type a desired name to replace it. The new name will be saved automatically. By default, new documents are stored in the main folder in OneDrive. This can be changed by going to your OneDrive account in a new browser tab and changing the location. The other way is to click on the New tab in the File dialog. This tab offers more icons than the Home tab. Click the desired one. Then rename the document. This video, from OS College, has demonstrated several ways of creating and saving a workbook in Microsoft Excel Online's Document Manager and an Excel Online workbook. The video is on the OS College YouTube channel. If you are watching it on YouTube, click subscribe and like to receive notification of future videos from OS College. The video is also on the oscollege.com page about saving and creating documents in Office and Word online. It is also on the OS College Facebook and MeWe pages. There are links to the OS College webpage on the Facebook and MeWe posts, as well as the video description on YouTube. Thank you for watching.